Imagine running a business, pouring your heart and soul into it, only to find yourself in a constant battle with cash flow. You know the drill: sales are great one month, and the next, you're scrambling to pay your suppliers or meet payroll. It's stressful, it's exhausting, and it can feel like you're walking a tightrope every single day. But what if I told you there's a solution that many organizations are turning to: a part time chief financial officer or CFO? That's right. This isn't just a fancy title, it's a lifeline for businesses navigating the turbulent waters of cash flow issues. So, what is a part time CFO? Well, think of them as your financial superhero, swooping in to save the day without the full time commitment. Unlike a traditional CFO who's tied down to one company, a part time CFO works with multiple clients, offering their expertise on an as needed basis. This flexibility allows businesses to tap into high level financial guidance without the hefty price tag of a full time executive. It's like having a seasoned financial pro on speed dial, ready to help when you need it most. Now, let's dive into why cash flow problems can be such a thorn in the side of businesses. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any organization. It's all about the movement of money in and out of your business. When cash inflows exceed outflows, you're in the green, but when the opposite happens, watch out. You could be facing serious challenges. Inadequate sales, poor cash flow management, unexpected expenses. These are just a few culprits that can leave you scrambling for cash. Imagine this: you're a small business owner and sales start to dip. Suddenly, your once steady cash flow is disrupted. You can't pay your suppliers on time, your employees are getting anxious about their paychecks, and your credit score begins to take a hit. It's a downward spiral that can lead to missed growth opportunities or, in the worst case scenario, insolvency. It's a nightmare scenario for anyone running a business. But here's where a part time CFO can step in and change the narrative. They can assess your current cash flow situation with a keen eye, diving deep into your financial documents, analyzing your cash inflows and outflows, and identifying any underlying issues. It's like having a financial detective on your team, uncovering the mysteries of your cash flow and helping you make sense of it all. What does this look like in practice? The part-time CFO will conduct a comprehensive financial analysis, scrutinizing your cash flow statement, income statement, and balance sheets. They'll pinpoint patterns and trends, helping you understand where your cash is coming from and where it's going. They might even uncover areas where you can cut costs or optimize revenue. Think of them as your financial strategists, guiding you towards better financial health. And it doesn't stop there. Part-time CFOs are skilled in creating cash flow budgets and forecasts. They help you plan for the future by predicting cash inputs and outflows so you can stay one step ahead of potential cash shortages. This proactive approach means you won't be caught off guard when those unexpected expenses pop up. But let's be real, hiring a part-time CFO isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about bringing expertise and specialized knowledge to your business. These professionals have a wealth of experience across different industries, which means they can tailor their advice to meet your specific needs. They understand the nuances of financial management and can provide actionable insights that can help you maximize your cash flow and overall financial performance. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there really isn't one. In fact, one of the biggest advantages of hiring a part-time CFO is the cost effectiveness. You get access to top-tier financial expertise without the financial burden of a full-time salary. This flexibility allows you to scale their involvement as your business grows or as your needs change. Need them for a specific project? No problem. Want ongoing support? They're there for you. And let's not forget the objectivity that a part-time CFO brings to the table. Sometimes, when you're deep in the trenches of running your business, it's hard to see the forest for the trees. The fresh perspective can be invaluable. They can spot inefficiencies or opportunities that you might have overlooked, providing unbiased recommendations that can steer your business in the right direction. So, when should you consider hiring a part-time CFO? There are several scenarios where their expertise can be a game changer. If your business is experiencing a transition, like opening a new location or navigating a merger, a part-time CFO can provide the specialized knowledge you need to tackle those challenges head on. Or if you're looking to secure funding or invest in growth initiatives, having a financial expert by your side can make all the difference. In conclusion, cash flow issues don't have to spell disaster for your business. With a part-time CFO, you can regain control of your financial health and set your organization on a path towards stability and growth. They're not just financial advisors, they're partners in your success, helping you navigate the complexities of cash flow management and empowering you to make informed financial decisions. So, if you find yourself struggling with cash flow, don't hesitate to explore the option of bringing in a part-time CFO. It could be the key to unlocking your business's potential and ensuring a brighter financial future. Remember, in the world of business, knowledge is power, and having the right financial guidance can be the difference between thriving and just surviving.